of them in a table form, which I'll take my lord through in any event, sir.
आप जरा माइक को जरा, क्योंकि आप माइक से हट जाते हैं.
I'm sorry, sir.
माइक को.
Sir, may I just quickly go through this paper book now, because this is.
आपने PTI की प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट भी मांगी थी, वो नहीं आप लाए शायद.
जी सर, है ना PTI की फॉर्म 66 जो उनकी लिस्ट है, वो भी ले आए. सर मैं ले आऊँगा वो. I had requested, sir. I apologize. There was a lot of paper that was requested, but I had formally requested ECP, and I'll submit it, sir. So, my lord, in this case, the candidate's nomination form, which is at page 1 of this small paper book, it says, this is his nomination form with his name. Then, on page 2, he says, Mera Taluk Sunni Ittihad Council, Alliance PTI. ठीक है sir. Then his nomination papers are accepted, my lord, at 3. And then on the 13th, my lord, first of all, there is a party affiliation ticket submitted for Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
Where is that? Sorry?
That's, my lord, tab D. Then, my lord, on the same day at tab E, a statutory declaration is submitted, which is on oath. It refers to section 66, which requires the party affiliation certificate, my lord. And this says, I am at present affiliated with PTI N, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazriyati, which is a completely separate enlisted political party with its own chairman and constitution, etc. It's not the PTI. On the same day, my lord. Then, my lord, there was he submitted a written request to the RO in which he refers to the matter pending, and then he says, I may be allotted shuttlecock, which is one of the symbols for independent candidates. And then ultimately, my lord, on G, tab G, which is page 7, this is his form 33. The shuttlecock symbol was already taken, so he was allotted, my lord, the symbol of tower instead as an independent, and he contested as an independent based on his own application, and ultimately was returned as an independent, my lord, and the form 49 notifying it is on page 9. So this is one example, my lord. Then all 81, my lord, I went through yesterday for the first time, and if the papers are here, I think it'll be better if I go through it. They basically fall into 3-4 broad categories. One category follows this pattern, where it says PTI, then the PTI-N ticket comes, then an application for withdrawal of that formally or orally
comes. Where is that, the withdrawal part?
My lord, ये इनका खत है जो उर्दू में खत है, उसमें वो कह रहे हैं कि मुझे अगर ये नहीं दे सकते तो फिर मुझे shuttlecock दे. So he is saying, give me the
withdrawal of the declaration, मतलब
withdrawal of just his earlier certificate, जी. वो उर्दू वाला खत जी, because he says, my lord, he is withdrawing because he is saying, now can you please issue me the symbol for independence.
Total 80 or 81?
Sorry, 81 my lord.
So now we are dealing with 80.
जी, ये एक हो गया सर.
उनको माइनस करें 80 हो गया.
जी, वो सारे आ जाएंगे आपके पास. वो जब सर आ जाएंगे तो I'll take my lord through. But basically a similar kind of pattern.
इस उर्दू वाले में ये तो नहीं लिखा कि मैं आज़ाद होना चाह रहा हूँ या मैं वो सर्टिफिकेट जो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट है वो विड्रॉ करना चाहता हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल सर, बट वो I agree sir, I agree. What he says instead is issue me the symbol for shuttlecock.
नहीं, पहले बैट का
पहले बैट, if that's not available, then shuttlecock.
उसने कहा कि अगर बैट अदालत से ना मिले
बिल्कुल
तो शटलकॉक दे.
बिल्कुल, तो उसको
does it mean that he was independent?
My lord, he contested. देखें सर, इसके ऊपर मेरा सबमिशन ये है कि they are certainly independents, and with utmost respect to them, and it's for the appellant to clarify also, how can they not claim to be independents? Because only independents, this is undisputed hopefully, that only an independent can join within 3 days. And they have joined under Rule 62(9). So,
ये देखे ना, इसके आप जो तरतीब आपने बताई, फर्स्ट नॉमिनेशन जिसमें कहा कि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस, फिर पीटीआई टिकट,
that's right,
then PTIN का भी टिकट आया है?
PTIN का सर टिकट नहीं है, उसकी वो स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन है।
उसके बाद, उस डिक्लेरेशन के बाद कहा कि सिंबल मुझे
दे दो, then he asks for
उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक टिकट नहीं आया।
डिक्लेरेशन के साथ नजरियाती जो लिखा है उसका टिकट फाइल हुआ है?
नहीं हुआ। इस रिकॉर्ड, इस वाले में नहीं है सर वो।
There's only one certificate.
So there is like one half of something. He needs to.
एक second जरा factually clear कर दें। We don't need to spend so much time on it, but the certificate that's on the record for Sahibzada is only of PTI.
Sir, the certificate.
The other is just a declaration, but does not have a certificate with it. That's his own self-styled document.
Let me put it this way.
The document of the party is only one.
Yes. So his party, my lord, may I clarify it in a little bit though? His party affiliation ticket, his party affiliation certificate is of PTI, and his statutory declaration of person nominated affidavit is of PTI.
It is the certificate, you see. So certificate एक ही है ना?
Certificate
so he is there, he goes into the elections with a certificate of PTI.
Yeah, that's right.
And so, but you considered him as a independent because of whatever reasons that you want.
एक चीज ये भी देख लीजिए, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में जो डिक्लेरेशन है ना इनका,
जी सर,
उसमें तो कहते हैं that I am at present affiliated with Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati and a certificate from political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati showing that I am party candidate from the above said constituency is attached.
So sir, this is my.
It's not attached. According to your record.
But sir, he makes a statement on oath saying that I am at present in PTIN.
You've understood your point. But the legal effect हम देख लेंगे.
इसका legal effect आप देखेंगे. I just wanted that I have a rider to what my.
एक बात और बता दे जरा इस तरफ.
I want to understand your case. आपके मुताबिक ultimately when the dust settles on the 13th of January, your case, your understanding, the election commission is that you granted him the election symbol under section 63(3). Is that correct?
मैं देख लूँ एक दफा सेक्शन 63
आपकी क्या पोजीशन? 67 जो पोजीशन है सो है
जी सर. मेरी पोजीशन ये है कि द ROs went with.
देखिए आप हमें सिर्फ ये बता दीजिए, RO की जो है, RO तो आप ही के लोग हैं, आप हमें बताइए इलेक्शन कमीशन की क्या पोजीशन है.
मैं बताता हूँ.
आपने उनको इलेक्शन सिंबल टावर जो अलॉट किया अंडर सेक्शन 67(3) किया. इज दैट योर पोजीशन?
3 किया. Yes,
that is your.
जी.
उसी की इंटरप्रिटेशन में आप चल रहे हैं ना. Under 67(3) you said he was independent.
May I clarify?
एक बात और बता दें.
एक चीज मैं सिर्फ just my submission for consideration that overall now, my lord, I even, and this is for Mr. Jasir Yahya Afridi, because there are some PTI tickets which have come, so I also saw them yesterday, my lord. But overall, the approach that was taken and the trend, and I think that was a very good expression. The overall approach of let me say of the ECP in these matters, as my lord said, when the dust settled, their very last, जो उनकी सबसे last request थी, उस पे act हुआ.
Forget them. You give us your understanding.
ये मेरी understanding ये है.
आपकी understanding ये है कि because I've noted this down, that you have given them the ticket of tower, this gentleman rather, under section 67(3).
Yes.
Now the other 80 or 81 candidates of PTI, and you say you have gone through their nomination forms.
I have now.
Now, my question to you, and you say you'll bring them before.
I will come in.
Yes, but we'll take your word. Your counsel at the bar.
Thanks.
The nomination papers, forget the election symbol, that. The nomination papers of those candidates, where they have in form A, they have to say, I belong to such and such party. What do they say? Which party do they belong to?
मैं बताता हूँ सर. वो 2-3 कैटेगरीज में आती हैं. I'll answer this, sir. And where's the paper? Do you have 13 of these? Please give them. My lord, I will answer this for every, I'll give a table because the short answer is there is no consistent. So in some cases, and I will go through all 81 now on this table. In some cases, in some cases, it's left blank. So
once you have that record in front of us, फिर ही दिखाएंगे.
अच्छा चलिए ठीक है, तो वो
इस तरह हवा में बात हो रही है ना.
चलिए ठीक है.
एक बात और बता दें इस तरफ.
बट ये टेबल आप इनको अगर दें तो ये इसमें सारा डेटा है.
सिकंदर ये बता दें कि लास्ट डेट ऑफ रिवाइज लिस्ट वाज फाइनल लिस्ट 12/1/2024 लास्ट डेट थी
इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम में जी.
लास्ट डेट ऑफ फाइनल लिस्ट 12/1, यानी तमाम स्क्रूटनी के बाद ये
विड्रॉल जी, लास्ट डेट फॉर विड्रॉल जी.
विड्रॉल भी खत्म हुई.
बिल्कुल सर.
क्या विड्रॉल के बाद किसी कैंडिडेट को ये इख्तियार है कि वो अगर एक मरतबा एक पार्टी की तरफ से एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट के साथ कागजात जमा कर दे, फिर वो कहे नो मैं दूसरी पार्टी में जाना चाहता हूं,
जी सर
वो कर सकता है?
सर जी, मेरा सबमिशन इस पे ये है, which I think I addressed yesterday also सर, कि वो जो स्टेज 8 है ना सर, आप अभी पढ़ रहे थे 7, 8 है लास्ट डेट फॉर विड्रॉल ऑफ कैंडिडेट, ठीक है सर. 9 है अलॉटमेंट ऑफ इलेक्शन सिंबल. ही कैन डू इट अंटिल देन सर.
लास्ट डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल के बाद,
लास्ट डेट ऑफ सर विड्रॉल के बाद तो सिर्फ ये हो जाता है कि द कैंडिडेट्स जिनके नॉमिनेशन पेपर एक्सेप्ट हो गए हैं एंड दे चोज नॉट टू विड्रॉ, ये फाइनल लिस्ट आ जाती है. दैट्स द कंटेस्टिंग कैंडिडेट्स.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आफ्टर लास्ट डेट ऑफ विड्रॉल,
यस ही कैन डू इट सर.
क्या कोई कैंडिडेट ये कह सकता है कि मैं इस पार्टी को छोड़कर दूसरी पार्टी के टिकट लेना चाहता हूँ?
My lord, I have my submission on that is that
तो लॉ बता दें आप. सबमिशन लॉ मस्ट ठीक सपोर्ट.
My lord, वो आखिरी दिन तक कर सकता है.
आखिरी दिन हो गया.
सर when I say आखिरी दिन, I mean the deadline for allotment of symbol. There is just a small difference between my lord's view and mine. आप sir yesterday also my lord had observed, my lord is taking the date on serial number. Sir 13/1.
Deadline for withdrawal is 12.
Yes, I am submitting that they can still seek a different symbol until the 13th, not the 12th.
सिंबल की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं, विड्रॉल की बात कर रहा हूँ. एक शख्स एक पार्टी ए से डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करता है
जी.
12 तारीख लास्ट डेट है फॉर विड्रॉल की, इसके बाद विड्रॉल नहीं हो सकती. विड्रॉल की डेट गुजरने के बाद क्या वो पार्टी एफिलिएशन चेंज कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता?
Is there a provision for it?
Yes, my lord. वो पढ़ देते हैं ना. 66 and 67 3.
That you can shift your nomination to another party. That's the question.
जी.
मैं अपनी बुक्स लाती हूँ. मेरी
नहीं 67 3.